Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Telegram. So let's start. First open Google Play Store. Now search for Telegram. Telegram is an instant messaging app just like WhatsApp. And it is also free. So download it and open it right now. This is the home screen of your app. At the top of the screen, you can search for conversation and contacts. And then you will see all the conversations. And lastly, you can see your contacts. Now tap on the edit icon on bottom right corner. From here, you can create a new group message, new secret chat, as well as your channel. You can also add contacts just by tapping on the plus icon on bottom right corner. You can add contacts by their name and phone number. Now tap on New Group. You can add up to 200,000 people on a single group message. When you are done adding, tap on the arrow icon on bottom right corner. Now enter the group name and your group will be created. Now go back to your home screen and tap on the three bars on top left corner. From here, you can also create a new group. See your contacts. Add a new contact. You can also see your call logs. You can see nearby people. And go to Settings. Now tap on the camera plus icon on top right hand side and you can change your photo. Now tap on the three dots on top right corner. From here you can edit your name and log out. And that's how you can use the Telegram app. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.